Hi guys, first of all, a very happy Diwali to all of you. I'm Rupal,
And I'm Sonia.
and today through this video, we are going to share our views on why we think that coding can be a better career option for all of us out there. So, if you're watching this video, you need not be from a development team. You can be from any profession. You can be from the commerce domain. You can be someone who's practicing law, and still you are at the right place.
Yeah, and as you know, like as this year started, there has been a lot of panic around because of COVID. Many people lost their jobs. Some of them are still looking for jobs. Many companies got shut down. Whenever I actually scroll through my LinkedIn, I see like most of the posts are about people are looking for jobs. So, what do you think? Like the problem here is, I sometimes people blame that there are no jobs. There is like because of COVID, the marketplace is affected, but I don't really think that's the right reason, because even like there are still a lot of companies which are looking for candidates. They are hiring. Even my company, they are hiring even now. So I think the problem here is we don't have the right candidate. We don't have the people with the right skill set. What do you think?
Yeah, even I think that I absolutely agree with you on that. Whenever I open my LinkedIn, it is flooded with posts where people are
Right.
complaining that they have lost their jobs due to COVID or their companies have altogether shut down. But surprisingly, I have also come across many posts wherein companies are actually looking for candidates, right? So I cannot say that there is a total unavailability of jobs. It will be wrong. But then what I would say is, what I think in my opinion, it is that there are actually lack of skillful people out there. So as we all know that there are people who are applying in bulk, right? Everyone is just into that competition of getting a job for themselves. But what we forget in this competition is that there are people who are lacking skills, right? We just think about it, just for once introspect within yourselves that what is the one thing that is lacking within you? What is the one thing that it is not present in you, but the company is looking for that.
That exactly is a one skill set. As I said, people actually try to focus on a lot of things together. They'll try to learn 10 different tools, 10 different languages maybe, but all you need to, for getting a job, I think all you need to learn is just one language and become an expert at it. This can easily get your job, right? And what else? Like,
Absolutely.
TK, I know a lot of people also who, like, they cannot get a job. They can also, like, once they start learning a new language, what they can do is they can start making new projects. This can help them making a good portfolio for themselves, which can get them freelancing projects as well.
And also, I would also like to add one point that, to all the final year students out there who are just stressing over placements and, thinking about the fact that they are not getting jobs somehow, and, giving excuses that because of COVID, they are not getting jobs. Now, we as engineers, we also face something called as imposter syndrome, right? Which means that we also underestimate our own skills. We sometimes, because there is a lot of competition out there in the world, so we always think that people around us know more, when compared to what we know, right? And it is actually wrong. I think that we should never compare, rather we should be positive about that fact and we should learn from it. We should always find paths where we can improve on ourselves.
Exactly. Like, I think nowadays internet is available for to everybody. Like, you have a lot of resources available on the internet. You just need to go to one website or one tutorial. Just start doing it. Just make your fundamentals strong. Once your fundamentals are strong, you can start working on projects. As I said, it's a great help. I've seen, like, if you have a project to showcase whatever language you know, it is like a proof, so it helps a lot. Apart from this, like, I think it is not a great I would say it's not a big investment you're making. Whether you just need a laptop, I'm not asking you to do a course. Like, you need not do an engineering for this, right? It's like you have the tutorials online, so you need not do engineering, you need not do masters in science, right? So it's no investment for you. You are working nowadays, especially after the COVID. The situation is like people are working from home, and I know a lot of companies who are looking for people who can work from remote location. What but the benefit here is like you can work from home, you can work from a cafe for that matter. So what do you think? Like, this is great, right? Like, have you ever imagined like you could get an option to work from anywhere you would want to?
Yeah, absolutely. And just think about the fact that development is such a domain where people from any age, right, from any age group, they can come here, they can enter into this domain and they can earn out of it and make a living out of it, right? So I personally know people who are as young as 13 and as old as 60, 70 who have done that, who are actually living examples of that, right? So you just need that willingness and that courage to start with something new. And trust me, being in this domain for a couple of years, I have realized that if you are even if you're a newbie, right? Even if you're starting with that, you will never be, you will never feel isolated because there are so many communities out there, so many technical communities which actually help you, whenever you are in need, they are very willing to help you out. They will, and without expecting anything from you. So I think that's a very grateful thing for this domain.
Yeah, like even at my age, like I have a good experience with software development. Even now, how I approach to communities to not just like to get a help to fix my bug or like fix my problem, but sometimes it's all to get that motivation. Because every one of us at any stage of your life, you need a push, and that community is a must for that. Like you have people from different age groups. I know like people from like even who are 50 years old and they have started development, and you look at them and you feel so motivated, like come on, a guy who is 50-year old and he's starting his career now, and so why can't you, right?
Yeah. So yeah, that is what I want to emphasize on. And another important factor is that I know a lot of housewives, ones who are mothers, ones who just stay at home, right? So also in this domain, I think it's a very good thing about it that even if you're a housewife, even if you're a housewife and you have an aspiration of earning yourself, of getting that financial freedom, you can definitely enter into this development domain because it will really give you a sense of freedom, a sense of security. Because no matter, see, because of this COVID, it has taught us one thing, that companies can operate, and especially the technical, the tech related companies can operate even from home, right?
Yeah.
So this is a very big advantage of it. Even staying at home, you can work, you can earn big, there's no limit of earning here. You can earn as much as you can. Just have that courage. Please do not listen to what others say if others are trying to demotivate you, because ultimately it's your life. You have to take that responsibility and you have to go for it, right? You cannot depend on others that, okay, someone else will come and do this for me. No, they won't. Life is not like a fairy tale. It's the brutal honesty, right? Right. So you will have to take that step. You will have to trust yourself. You will have to have that confidence, and you will have to work on yourself.
Exactly. Since you mentioned about housewives, this reminds me of something. Like I have that insecurity in mind always. Like when I was doing my engineering, there were a lot of girls in my class. Like it was an equal ratio, I would say. Like for girls and boys. But after I did my engineering, I see like a lot of girls have switched their career, like they have moved to a completely different profession. And why is that? Because people feel it's coding is difficult. I really don't think coding is difficult, like especially when you have so much resources online, and it doesn't get that difficult, right? And also what I'll say, I think the reason I wanted to make this video is I want to give a community, I want to give a platform to especially the women who are doing engineering or who want to get into this field. I want to encourage them that it's nothing that difficult as you think, and you can just start from today. And we are here, my community is here, and you have a lot of resources here. We'll be there to help you, guide you in every step, and that's how, like, I want you to start with this.
And just think about this, that if you ever wanted to make a difference in a society, right? This is the best domain. You can build anything that you have ever visualized. You can make your dreams a reality. You can do something for the community. You can contribute towards your country, towards, making your society a better place. Technology is something that can be used in every field of life. It is so much relevant everywhere, right? So even if you want to build up a company, even if you want to become an entrepreneur, you can do anything with the help of technology because it is magic, man. It has that power. And if you can build a career out of it, you are a magician yourself, right? You can do wonders which you haven't even somehow, thought you would perhaps do.
I completely agree with you because coding is like magic. Seriously, it like the idea of actually solving problems and like making it visible, like making it visible. Like for example, I'll say if you make a website of your own, it doesn't take long. You know it. Like people think it's a big deal, but you can start learning how to make a website. And once you have something which actually you own, which belongs to you, and it might be possible that one day you will realize a lot of people are using it. So I think it's a great achievement. It is a great feeling when you see that someone is using your website, right?
Yeah. And trust me, you have the capability to do that. Please do not go by the myth that are there out there that coding is not for everyone. Coding is very difficult. No, it is not. It just needs a lot of practice. And come on, if you practice, it is relevant to it is relevant in every domain, right? Practice makes a man perfect. Similarly, that can be applied here as well. It just needs a lot of hard work from your end. It just needs a lot of patience from your end, and in turn it will give you a very beautiful life, trust me. And you just need to have confidence in yourself. You have the capabilities, you have that ability to do something in your life, and you have a long way. You have a just set a vision for yourself, set your goals and work for it. Be responsible for your life. I cannot emphasize enough on that how important it is to take control of your life and make coding a part of your lifestyle, because I personally believe that coding is something that will also help you improve uh, your problem solving abilities, your logical thinking, and everything that is quite needed in every phase of life.
I know. So actually, this is the message I want to give to all the people out here. Coding is not a difficult thing. You can start it with it any day. Please don't waste your Diwali vacations on just lazing around, watching Netflix, or just scrolling through Instagram. We will be coming up with a lot of content, lot of videos not related to coding, not just coding. It would be about some soft skills also, which will help you get a job. You can also some content which will help you get into freelancing stuff and much more.
Exactly. And also, one more thing is that a mentor in your life is very much important, right? Because personally, even both of us, even Sonia would, agree to this, that how important a mentor can be in one's life, right? So for me, I think whatever I have done, whatever career growth I've seen, it is because I have got that correct mentorship from people, right? So with that vision, we want to help you, we want to guide you to make your path, to pave your path, and we just want you to grow in your life. We just want you to fulfill your dreams. So please do not procrastinate. Please do not leave everything for tomorrow, because that tomorrow never comes, trust me. So go right now, take out your laptops, start coding. You have all the resources out there for free. You do not need to pay anything to anyone, and still you can become a great, great developer. So just go right now. Today is your moment. Just go and, just make your life.
Yeah, I think we have that's all we have it for today. I want you all guys to just stay with us, believe in us, and we'll be there helping you around. Thank you.
Yes. And thank you for spending your precious time watching this video. We hope that we could motivate you in some way. And thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.